Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
Dear friends, how are you? Today our fresh analysis of gold chart. This is a daily chart of gold pair. So, yesterday our team already shared gold chart analysis, and today we again share gold chart analysis. So we look about gold chart. Look here, really base, really demand zone. And this is a really base drop supply zone. High, 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 low, low, low. QM and B rushing engulfing. Market respect this base area and go up and first draw base. Drop supply breakout. Here we look. Resistance becomes support, resistance becomes support, resistance becomes support, and look here. This high breakout with strong bullish candle value. So we apply here Fibonacci high to low. So our Fibonacci reversal zone 161 today market reached. This area now, this is our reversal zone of gold chart. But if market pass this area, so then next target will be to 61 reversal zone of Fibonacci 5340542485. So now we need confirmation for reversal, because this is a divergent of daily chart. So divergent telling us I am ready for selling, but confirmation. Sell here, this is a
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription banks.
Our first really base, really demand zone. HE chart M30 chart HR chart. If sell from here, so our first target will be this. But if market passed this area and not respect this area, so if market go down and make here low, lower low, so then we have confirmed selling pressure. Start and gold ready for sell. Then the next entry will be start selling from here any fresh supply zone. And mostly we look supply will be same. UH resistance becomes support. And same here, supply market will be made. Then we take entry, sin, and our next target will be below. But now we need confirmation. We need break down this area and break down this low, then we will confirm about sell. Otherwise, if market respect this area, or if market easily can pass this area, so then next gold target is 5340. Now we check H1 chart. Now this is our H1 chart. If we look here and convert in line chart, do we see here a really base, really demand zone? But market easily can pass this area because left side no resistance or QM available. And if we look here, this is a strong support area. Market made here high, higher, high, low, lower, low, QM. And this is our second demand zone, and this is our third demand zone. But market not yet passed and break down first demand area, so but made here bearish engulfing. Now we look at the chart.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
This is our HR chart, now made here British and golfing, so we currently see in buying position. Market retest here end. In small time frame we take entry, buy with stop loss, and our next target will be this. Currently gold now in buy, not in selling position. If gold have any movement about selling or buy, our team will inform you soon, but currently gold is buy now and target is for 908 for 930 and 4945. Thanks.